Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is world's largest genome. According to a recent study, a small unassuming fern-like plant has the largest genome ever discovered, outstripping the human genome by more than 50 times. The plant contains a whopping 160 billion base pairs, the units that make up a strand of DNA. This plant has 11 billion more base pairs than the previous record holder, the flowering plant Paris japonica, and 30 billion more than the marble lungfish, which has the largest animal genome. The plant, which is native to New Caledonia and neighboring archipelagos in the South Pacific, is a species of plant called a fog fern. Its colossal number of base pairs raises questions as to how the plant manages its genetic material. Generally, having more base pairs leads to a higher demand for the minerals that comprise DNA and for energy to duplicate the genome with every cell division. Let's now talk about genome. Human bodies are estimated to have more than 30 trillion cells. Within each of those cells is a nucleus which contains DNA, collectively known as an organism's genome. The genome represents the entirety of an organism's hereditary information, serving as a biological instruction manual inherited from parents. So far, scientists have estimated the genome sizes of only about 20,000 organisms, representing a small fraction of Earth's biodiversity. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, recently the world's largest genome has been discovered in which of the following species? Fish, coral, fern-like plant, or human? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.